Hi, everyone. Dr. Nakia here. Ladies, gentlemen, parents, and educators, I am thrilled to announce that I am presenting at the 2024 Council for Exceptional Children's Conference in San Antonio, Texas. Yes, I am thrilled to announce I will be presenting not one, but two of my books, Essential Tips for Special Education Leaders and Essential Tips for Section 504 Coordinators. First up, from 10:30 to 11:15, I will be sharing valuable insights from my Essential Tips for Section 504 Coordinators book. In this session, we're going to dive down and delve into the essential Section 504 coordinator duties, how to navigate meetings, information, and other essential knowledge that is valuable for someone in the Section 504 coordinator role. We will navigate through the critical aspects of education so you will walk away from this session with confidence. Then from 1 o'clock to 1:45, I will be presenting my first book, Essential Tips for Special Education Leaders. In this session, I hope to provide leaders with essential knowledge, aspects, history, and strategies to help support leadership in special education with success. So whether you're a seasoned leader or you're just starting out, this is the session for you. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and make your way to the CEC conference on March 14th. Come with me and explore, and let me present my two books, Essential Tips for Special Education Leaders and Essential Tips for Section 504 Coordinators. Join me at the CEC. Let's come together, learn, share, and grow, and learn about the vital parts of Section 504 coordination and leadership in special education. The books are available on Amazon. You can click the link in the chat in the message and access the books. And as always, thank you for supporting me. Join me at the CEC, and I will see you in San Antonio as we work to impact the lives of exceptional children and shape the future of inclusive education. Get essential.